In this video, we are going to discuss about the PowerPoint basics. As we know, PowerPoint is a presentation software developed by Microsoft, widely used for creating slideshows comprising text, images, videos, and charts. It supports animation, transitions, and templates, making it ideal for business, educational, and personal presentations. So let's understand practically on computer. When we type PPT here, PowerPoint presentation, it is going to show you the option here and it is showing PowerPoint app. ठीक है, दिख रहा है सब लोगों को? जब आपने यहाँ पर नीचे सर्च में PPT टाइप करा तो आपको यहाँ पर PowerPoint ऐप दिखेगा, जैसे कि हमारा MS वर्ड में हमने किया था, एक्सेल में किया था. क्लियर है सबको? आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन PowerPoint ऐप. लेटर ऑन it is going to show you these type of templates. These are the optional templates which is available in PowerPoint and you can use any one of them. Clear है सबको? Right now we are going to work on the blank presentation. So let's click on the blank presentation. Once you click on the blank presentation, it is going to show you this type of file. As we have also seen this in our MS Word as well, right? MS Excel as well. The format is something like the Microsoft Word as well as Excel, but few things may be different here. Like we have to insert a new slide, then there is a option button here, right? This is called what? This area is called ribbon, where we have different tabs like file, home tab, insert, draw, as we were having in the Microsoft Word as well as in the Excel, right? Design is there, transitions, animations, slideshow, review and view. Clear everyone?
Yes.
Also we have insert tab. Once you click on the insert tab, then it is going to show you different options here. Like you can insert table here, which we are going to discuss later. Picture is there, right? Shapes are there, 3D charts and all those stuff are there. Now let's first understand about the home tab. Home tab gives you option like paste, new slide, layout, reset and selection. This is your main page where it is showing click to add title. Once we are going to click here, everything here is going to get highlighted. देख रहे हो तुम लोग? यहाँ पर सब चीज़ें हाईलाइट हो गई, सब एक्टिवेट हो गया है, right? Everything is activated in this ribbon. So here the text which we are getting by default in the title is what? ये याद करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे देख लो भाई, 60 है. यहाँ पर क्या है? फॉन्ट साइज. So we have the font size 60 by default and Calibri is your font style. Clear? Once we type here like Udgam Welfare Foundation, this text is in 60 font size and in the Calibri style. We can simply select this and change our font size with maybe 28, 32, whatever you require. Clear everyone? Here we can also type anything. For example, let us say our website www.udgamwelfarefoundation.com, right? So now this text is basically in 24 font style by default and the font style is again Calibri. You can simply highlight this and change the font color from here as we have done in the Microsoft Word, right? We can change the color by pressing the font color. Now it is showing in red color. Also we can do bold with this B and italics with this and underline as well. Now if you can check, our website name is red in red color and italics, bold and underline. Clear है? सही है?
Yes.
Let's insert another file or another slide by using new slide here, right? once you click on the new slide, it is going to ask you what format or office theme you require. दिख रहा है सबको? यहाँ पर देखो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट थीम्स हैं, इसको ध्यान रखना तुमने, ठीक है? अभी तुमने यहाँ पे काम करना है, राइट? तो देयर आर डिफरेंट डिफरेंट themes here. So let's select a blank sheet only, right? Here we have selected a blank sheet. Now what we can do, we can try this tab, like we are drawing different lines. Once you click on the line arrow, it is going to show you this type of cursor, and you can, starting point is this, and you can simply drag this particular point and you will see a straight line in your blank sheet. Clear everyone?
Yes.
Now you can also change the size, thickness of this particular line. Here it is showing you different options, color as well, right? If you click on this, then the color is changing, right? Now what we can do, shape outline is there. You can click on this shape outline. Getting a point?
Yes.
Now weight is there. You can simply click on any type of weight, that is 3.2, 0.25, 1.5 point. These are the thickness of your line. Let us say we are using 3 point. We can click on it. We can see that the thickness of this particular line has been increased. तो यहाँ बढ़ गई ना लाइन के लिए. क्लियर है? समझ में आ रहा है सबको?
Yes.
Also we can simply rotate this by changing the length as well as the direction. You can check this out, right? देख रहे हो तुम लोग?
Yes, sir.
Simply we can changing the length as well as direction of this particular line. Now we can also insert different shapes here by using this one. Let us say we need to insert a rectangle, right? Here we have inserted our rectangle. As soon as we have inserted this rectangle, other options are starting showing here in your ribbon. Can you see that?
Yes.
Now let us say we require this color. If you are going to click on this, then you can see that the color has been changed, right?
Yes, sir.
Now if we click on this, this is what? Fill black text color shadow, right? This is your text fill. That means it is going to fill your text. First of all, what we are going to do, we are going to write something here. And how we can write it? Now we are going to write some text here. So click on the insert tab. After that we can simply click on the text box as well, right? This is a simple text box. So this is a text box. Now if we are going to click here, we can simply write anything here. Udgam Welfare Foundation, right? We have written this. Now what is the advantage of this particular text box? The main advantage of this text box is we can simply drag this anywhere on this particular page or on the next page as well. We can keep it here, and as we can see that this particular word, which is foundation, is not coming in the same line. You can see that same line में नहीं आ रहा है. What we can do, we can simply drag this and you can simply see that it is showing in the same line. Now if we are going to click on this, we can simply drag this and make it centrally aligned. Okay.
Yes.
In this manner we can insert any shape, and also we can insert word art as well. Clear?
Yes.
We have having different options of the word art. Let's use it. On insert, we can also insert the pictures here. Let's first understand how to insert a table as we have done in the Microsoft Word. Yeah, tha?
Yes. Yes.
So let's click on table, insert table. Now it is asking us number of rows and columns.
Columns.
Let's keep number of columns 3 and number of rows 5, right? Now if we click on OK, then it is showing us a beautiful table here, right? We can drag this table here. Okay, we can type any text here. Very simple, like we have done in what, MS Word as well as in MS Excel, right? Okay, so in this manner you can simply insert a table as we have discussed in the Microsoft Word as well. ठीक है, अब हम करते हैं कुछ एनिमेशन या हम स्लाइड्स को लेके. ठीक है, स्लाइड्स कैसे हम यूज करेंगे. Now let's understand how we can use different formats or different slides. Let's open a new file now. So here we have opened a different format which we are going to use in this particular file. So this is the ready-made template, and if you want to see this particular file in the slideshow, how we are going to do that? You can simply use slideshow here. Can you see the tab slideshow?
Yes, sir.
Slideshow is there. Now it is asking you from where you want to see this particular slideshow, from the beginning, from current slide, custom slideshow, etc., right?
Yes.
Let's see this particular slideshow from the very beginning. We are going to click on this and we can see that our entire screen is showing our presentation here, right?
Yes, sir.
Now after using your arrow key on your keyboard, you can simply go to the next page like this. This is showing your next page, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is the slideshow. You can see this is the slideshow, right?
Yes.
So in this manner we can use our slideshow in PowerPoint. Now let's make another slideshow by using our own content. Let's use a blank only, right?
Yes.
And we have our own text here. ठीक है, यहाँ पे देखते जाओ मैं कैसे कर रहा हूँ. पहले ऐसा करता हूँ, मैं पेस्ट कर देता हूँ, उसके बाद हम थोड़ा फॉर्मेटिंग समझेंगे, राइट? देखो यहाँ पे ना, आप इसको स्लाइड को अगर आप सेम कॉपी पेस्ट भी करना चाहते हो सेम फॉर्मेट को, तो यू कैन सिंपली यूज़ Ctrl+C एंड Ctrl+V. ये देखोगे Ctrl+C Ctrl+V, आप इसको एडिट कर लेना बाद में, राइट? Ctrl+C Ctrl+V, सही है? तो अभी आपके पास आ गया सेम फॉर्मेट में, ताकि आपको एक हेडिंग चाहिए और एक टेक्स्ट चाहिए, राइट?
Yes.
So here we have our text ready and we are going to format these slides as per the requirement. So here we are going to learn how to format a PowerPoint or how to make a PowerPoint presentation. So this is our heading. Number one, if you would like to change the size of this particular heading, you can change that, right?
Yes, sir.
So let's make it little small. So let's make it, let us say size of 40. So in every slide we are going to use the font size which will be 40. Clear है सबको?
Yes, sir.
After that we can simply bold it by using Ctrl+B or by using this particular क्या button. So we can use Ctrl+B here, right? And also we can change the color of this particular, right, word we can say, or heading. We are going to change the color of this particular heading like this. Clear?
Yes.
Now as we can see that this text here is not in alignment or is not proper as per the requirement. So this practice we have also done in the Microsoft Word while tackling with paragraphs.
Yes.
So here what we are going to do, we can simply select the entire paragraph, right? You have to memorize that whatever font size we are using for this particular heading, we have to use the same heading in subsequent slides. आगे की स्लाइड्स में भी हमने सेम यूज करना है, ध्यान रखो, ठीक है? ऐसा नहीं कि यहाँ पे आपने, दिस इज नॉट लाइक दैट इफ यू आर यूजिंग फॉन्ट साइज ऑफ 40 or in this particular heading, right, and you are going to use 30 in the next one or 45 in the next one, so it will not look good. So now what we are going to do, we are going to align this particular paragraph as per our requirement. Current font size is what, 20 and Calibri, right?
Yes.
So we can make it, let us say 18, okay, font size 18, and let's do it what, justify it or what?
Just
If you are doing justify, then it is
set.
looking good, right? So now this particular content is looking good as well as very much aligned, right? We can use Control plus S. If you want to save this particular file, then as we have done in our Microsoft Word, you have to go to File tab. It is going to ask you save or save as. You can simply use save as, and you can use any name. Right now we have PowerPoint classes, right? And save it. So here we have saved our file. Now this particular file is ready as per our requirement. Also we can highlight few text here, or we can format few text, right? Like let us say we have to highlight Udgam Welfare Foundation. Let's increase the font size to 20, okay, and make it bold and underline as well, or we can do it italics, remove underline, okay.
Okay.
Now it is looking fine. Udgam Welfare Foundation is a non-profit organization. Clear everyone?
Yes.
So we have to use Control plus S.
Yes.
Now we are moving towards our next slide. So this is the content of our next slide. Now whatever font size we have used for our heading in our previous slide, we are going to use the same here. That is what? That is font size was 40, okay, font size was 40, and we have to bold it, and the color was blue color. You can simply click on blue color. Now comes to our paragraph again. We have to select the entire paragraph here, right, and justify it. We have justified it, right? Again what we are going to do, we have to make this Udgam Welfare Foundation bold and italics. So we have done this. Now this particular content is also ready. Now let's shift towards next paragraph. So this is our third slide. Again we are going to change the title size, that is 40, bold and blue color. Now again we are going to justify this content, and also we are going to bold and highlight, bold and
Highlight.
italicized. So here we have done this. Now let's change the font size of this particular paragraph to 18, right?
Yes.
Now this is our font size of 18. Now let's move towards the last slide. Here we have our heading, which is of at least I think 4 or 5 words, and we are going to change the font size first, which is 40. Now Control plus B, and we need to change the color. Okay,
Yes.
now here we have a paragraph. Now we are going to justify this, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Also the font size is 18 already. Now we can use Control plus S. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now let's learn how to do bulleting and numbering in PowerPoint. So here we have our next slide. Here we are going to learn about bulleting and numbering. So here we have different lines. You can easily see that. Here we have to select all these topics or all these words which are available in different lines here, right? Go to the tab which is bulleting and numbering. We can opt for any type of bullets here. We can use it, right? Let's use this one. Now here we can see that it is in centrally aligned. We can simply use our
Just
align left here, not the justify, right?
Yes.
Also our content is centrally aligned. We have to use it aligned left. So in this manner we can use our bulleting and numbering. Clear?
Yes.
Also, if you would like to add any notes, we can use this particular tab. If you can see just at the bottom of this PowerPoint presentation, you can see that notes. You can simply use notes here and you can add the notes. www.udgamwelfarefoundation.com, right? So we have added a note here. You can simply save it. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
Now our different slides are ready now. ठीक है.
Yes, yes.
अब यहाँ पे क्या दिखा रहा है, लेआउट्स तो हो चुका अपना. डिज़ाइन की अगर हम बात करें तो देखिए डिज़ाइन देखेंगे, राइट? डिज़ाइंस कैसे कैसे हम कर सकते हैं. Now let's do some designing part here. Go to the design tab. Here it is showing different types of design. You can see that
Yes, sir.
it is changing the entire format of this, right? This you can see.
Yes, yes, sir.
So there are ready-made templates here. So we have different templates. Let's use this particular template now. We can click on this. So you can see that this particular template has been implemented in all the slides which is available in this sidebar. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now let's see this particular slideshow. This is our slideshow from the beginning.
Yes.
So this is our ready-made slides. You can go to the next slide by using arrow key. See, so this is not proper, right?
Yes.
This is also not proper, and this is end of the slides, right?
Yes.
So we can do some more formatting here. What we can do basically, we can reduce the font size. So let's reduce the font size so that it will look better. Okay. Like this.
Yes.
We can use Control plus S. Similarly here we can do that. Or this is into what? The form of a text, so that we can move it towards left, right?
Yes.
Now we can check it in our slideshow, right?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
Now here we have not implemented the animation part, which is very important in any slideshow, right?
Yes, yes.
So how we are going to implement that? You have the option what? Animation. Go to the animation, right? So first you have to click on some content which you would like to animate, otherwise it is not going to highlight. Let's say I have clicked on this particular file or particular slide. So I have clicked on the entire slide. That is why this part is not highlighted, right?
Yes.
For this part to be highlighted, we have to select some content which we want to animate, right? Let's click on this. Now you can see what will be the impact of different animation here. If you click on this, have you seen that something?
Yes, sir.
Now let's click on this. See, fly in like this, like this, float in, split like this,
Yes.
wipe, shape, wheel. Okay,
Yes,
so there are different animations available here. Let's implement these type of animation in our different slides for your better understanding, right? So let's animate our heading. Let's do it this way. Okay,
yes,
and this one will be, let us say, wipe. This is good,
Yes.
or some split. Let's keep it this way, right?
yes,
Split and grow and turn. Let's try this on the second slide, right? And here we are using float in. Okay, similarly we can apply on our next slide. Let's use fade in. Okay, or we can use shape only, right?
Yes.
We are going to see what impact it will have in our slideshow. Okay, it will look very beautiful. Here we are implementing split again. Change the heading to grow and turn. Now split again, right? Now we have to save this particular file by using Ctrl+S. Now let's see our slideshow from the beginning. So right now it is showing a blank page. Why? Because we need to use our arrow key or the mouse cursor. First we need to click our mouse, or we have to use the arrow key to see the result, like this.
yes, sir.
Okay, so this is our first slide. Now here comes our second slide, our core programs, like this. Impact and reach,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Digital e-learning platform on which we are working right now. Okay,
Yes,
so what all contents are available? See, English vocabulary, English grammar, right? Everything is available on our website. So this is how you can create a slideshow by using MS PowerPoint. Cut. So in this video we have learned how to use MS PowerPoint to create slides. You can use our online test as well as study material, which is available free of cost on our website, which is udgamwelfarefoundation.com, on different subjects, as well as you can also learn the computer basics by using our free resources. We are going to meet in our next videos. Till then, goodbye and take care.